Joe Stroop here, Bikeman Performance. We're doing a Tech Tuesday video on the Razor 900 and 1000 primary clutch, and one modification you should do if you want to put some power through this and exceed the factory rev limits. So first of all, we're going to pull the clutch apart and show you there's a little tassel nut that's inside this clutch that will TIG weld. Take this out here. You see this little castle nut on here. This clutch is kind of beat up. We're just using it for demonstration purpose, but right here we'll TIG weld right inside this little guy right there. And what that does is prevents this jam nut from loosening up, and what will happen is when the engine's spinning, this can kind of unwind, and then when you get back on the gas, it'll jam back in and it'll actually grenade this center hub right here. So by welding this onto this shaft, we can keep that from unspinning and maintain proper pressure and tightness on there, and we can make the clutch last a long time. So let's go over to the welding department and we'll show you where we weld this nut. Now that we got this spider nut TIG welded on there, it's going to keep that from backing off. It's going to make the clutch stay together longer. And for you, those of you that are worried that, oh, now this clutch isn't serviceable, it's not serviceable anyways. So it's pretty much a disposable clutch. So once it's used up, it's consumed, just throw it in the gutter, go get another, you know. We're ready to bolt the cap on. This modification is a must for all Razor, Ranger, 900 and 1000 owners that want to get more power out of their machine and still maintain longevity.